The Eastern Section IAEI meeting in Philadelphia brought together many industry professionals. Discussions centered on the proposed changes to the 2008 National Electrical Code, or NEC. The meeting offered a chance for attendees to connect with colleagues from various states, strengthening existing relationships and fostering new ones. A variety of valuable resources were provided to those who attended the meeting. Firstly, hard copies of the Report on Proposals, or ROP, and the draft of the 2008 NEC were distributed. Secondly, a complimentary copy of the latest UL White Book was given out. Thirdly, attendees had direct access to CMP members for any technical inquiries they had. Finally, insights and information were shared by industry vendors and professionals. The overall impression was that the meeting was highly informative and engaging. It provided attendees with the chance to stay up to date on industry developments. The collegial atmosphere highlighted the dedication and passion of those in the electrical industry. The primary focus of the gathering was a detailed examination of the proposed alterations to the 2008 NEC. Participants engaged in extensive discussions, both in formal settings and through informal conversations, to thoroughly assess the potential effects and implications of these proposed changes. These discussions served as a valuable platform for exchanging insights, sharing perspectives, and collectively evaluating the impact of the new code provisions on various aspects of the electrical industry. The exchange of ideas and collaborative analysis during these discussions contributed significantly to a deeper understanding of the proposed changes and their potential consequences. The meeting also served as an ideal environment for establishing and nurturing professional relationships. Attendees had ample opportunities to connect with fellow professionals hailing from diverse geographical locations, allowing them to forge valuable connections and expand their professional networks. These interactions facilitated the exchange of knowledge, experiences, and best practices, creating a collaborative ecosystem that extended beyond the confines of the meeting itself. The ability to connect with colleagues from different states fostered a sense of community and provided a platform for ongoing collaboration and support. The resources made available to attendees further enhanced the value of the meeting. The distribution of hard copies of the ROP and draft of the 2008 NEC ensured that participants had access to the most up-to-date information regarding the proposed code changes. This allowed them to study the changes in detail and prepare for their implementation. The complimentary copy of the latest UL White Book served as an invaluable reference tool, providing comprehensive guidance on product safety standards and compliance requirements. The direct access to CMP members for technical inquiries provided attendees with the opportunity to seek clarification on specific code provisions and address any technical challenges they encountered. The insights and information shared by industry vendors and professionals offered a first-hand perspective on the latest technological advancements and emerging trends in the electrical industry. The overall atmosphere of the meeting was characterized by a strong sense of collaboration, knowledge sharing, and professional development. Attendees left the event with a renewed sense of purpose and a deeper understanding of the challenges and opportunities facing the electrical industry. The insights gained and the connections made during the meeting will undoubtedly contribute to their professional growth and the advancement of the industry as a whole. The discussions surrounding the 2008 NEC proposals were comprehensive and multifaceted. The attendees explored the potential impact of these proposals on various aspects of electrical installations, including safety, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. They analyzed the implications of the proposed changes for different types of buildings, such as residential, commercial, and industrial facilities. They also considered the impact on specific electrical systems, such as lighting, power distribution, and motor control. The discussions also delved into the practical aspects of implementing the proposed changes. Attendees shared their experiences and insights on how to effectively incorporate the new code provisions into their daily work. They discussed the challenges they anticipated and the strategies they planned to employ to overcome them. They also explored the potential impact on their existing workflows and the need for additional training or resources. The networking opportunities at the meeting were invaluable. Attendees had the chance to meet and interact with a diverse group of professionals, including electrical contractors, engineers, inspectors, manufacturers, and educators. These interactions allowed them to learn from the experiences of others, share their own expertise, and build relationships that could benefit them throughout their careers. The meeting also provided a platform for attendees to connect with potential mentors and advisors. They could seek guidance from experienced professionals on career development, technical challenges, and industry trends. These mentorship opportunities were particularly valuable for those who were new to the electrical industry or who were looking to advance their careers. The resources provided at the meeting were designed to support attendees in their professional development. The hard copies of the ROP and draft of the 2008 NEC served as essential reference materials. The UL White Book provided valuable information on product safety standards and compliance requirements. The access to CMP members allowed attendees to get answers to their technical questions. The insights from industry vendors and professionals provided a glimpse into the future of the electrical industry. The meeting also featured several presentations and workshops on various topics related to the 2008 NEC proposals. These sessions provided attendees with the opportunity to learn from experts in the field and to gain a deeper understanding of the proposed changes. The presentations covered a wide range of topics, including grounding and bonding, overcurrent protection, wiring methods, and special occupancies. The workshops provided hands-on training on how to apply the new code provisions in practical situations. The meeting was a valuable experience for all who attended. It provided them with the knowledge, skills, and connections they needed to stay up to date on the latest developments in the electrical industry and to advance their careers. The meeting also served as a reminder of the importance of collaboration and knowledge sharing in ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical installations. The discussions about the 2008 NEC proposals were particularly important because the NEC is a constantly evolving document. It is updated every 3 years to reflect changes in technology, industry practices, and safety standards. By attending the meeting, attendees were able to get a head start on learning about the new code provisions and preparing for their implementation. The networking opportunities were also crucial because the electrical industry is a highly interconnected field. Professionals in different roles must work together to ensure that electrical installations are safe and reliable. By building relationships with colleagues from different backgrounds, attendees were able to improve their ability to collaborate and solve problems. The resources provided at the meeting were also essential because the NEC is a complex and detailed document. It can be difficult to understand all of the requirements and how they apply to specific situations. By having access to the ROP, the draft, the UL White Book, and the CMP members, attendees were able to get the information they needed to make informed decisions. The presentations and workshops were also helpful because they provided attendees with the opportunity to learn from experts and to gain hands-on experience. Overall, the meeting was a valuable investment for all who attended. It helped them to stay up to date on the latest developments in the electrical industry, to build relationships with colleagues, and to gain the knowledge and skills they needed to succeed.